At the beginning of the European session, the euro and the pound sterling inched down. However, later both currencies returned to the previous levels and the market got stuck again. Unlike yesterday, some macroeconomic data was published today. However, it was again ignored by traders. A slowdown in the UK industrial production remained the same as in the previous months. Economists had forecast a decline by 3% after a drop by 2.8%. Thus, the data can be called positive. At the same time, the UK GDP report turned out to be extremely weak. The country's GDP growth rate decreased to 0.3% from 0.7%. Analysts had expected a slowdown of 0.4%. There is news that managed to catch investors' attention. The Bank of England and UK Treasury said that they agreed to temporarily extend the use of the government's Ways and Means facility. This enables cash advances from the UK Central Bank to the government. Such measures can help the UK authorities to streamline functioning of markets during disruptions caused by coronavirus. The pound-dollar pair once again returned to the levels of 1.2240, 1.2480, where it slowed down. The pair is likely to move back to the levels of 1.2350, 1.2310. At the moment, market participants are focused on the US labor market report. The data is of key importance now. During the previous 2 weeks, a number of the first-time unemployment claims beat new record highs. Today, economists do not expect any new records, as the number of the claims may slightly exceed 5 million. Nevertheless, the amount is still very big. Usually, there are 200–300,000 claims a week. At the same time, a number of continuous claims is likely to hit new highs, advancing to 6,900,000. These figures surpass the previous high looked in June 2009. However, the US dollar is likely to go on rising amid such catastrophic news on the US labor market. The fact is that the big investors suppose that if the world's superpower is suffering great losses, situation in other countries may be even worse. During the recent 30 hours, the euro-dollar pair has been trading within the range of 1.0850, 1.0885, ahead of the expected acceleration. It's quite possible that the quote may move down and return to the level of 1.0775. Sell positions can be opened below 1.0830 with a targeted level at 1.0775. Deals can also be initiated below 1.0775. Buy positions can be opened to meet a sharp spike in speculative activity caused by the US data. In this case, it's recommended to enter the market when the price goes above 1.0890, with a target at 1.0930, 1.0950. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest events. See you soon.